Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Bybit wallet. Bybit wallet is different from Bybit exchange. You can create a Bybit wallet within your Bybit account. You can see there at the top we have exchange and we also have Web3. Web3 is the Bybit wallet. Bybit exchange is centralized, while Bybit wallet is non-centralized. It is decentralized. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a wallet right away. Just make sure you're going to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see Web3. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written there, welcome to Web3. So guys, now you can see what's written here, create a Bybit Web3 wallet, get ready to connect to the decentralized web. So guys, now you can see it is decentralized. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see create now. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, tap on the button below to create your wallet and start exploring Bybit Web3. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the button right there. You can see it create, the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, set device password. So what you have to do now is to input your password. You have to create the password, a strong password that no one can easily guess and that you can easily remember. So that's what you have to do right away now is to input your password in the first field. Then for the second field, you can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do there is to retype the password to confirm that it's actually correct. So guys, let me go ahead now to do it. So guys, now you can see the criteria of creating a password. The password must contain 8 to 30 characters. The password must contain at least one number. The password must contain at least one uppercase letter, that means a capital letter. The password must contain at least one lowercase letter, that means a small letter. And lastly, do not include 8 or more identical characters in a row. So guys, now let me go ahead now to do my password. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my password. So what I'll do now is to tap on confirm. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. You can see what's written there, creating your wallet. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see your wallet is successfully created. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see this is the interface of the Bybit wallet. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to actually back up your Bybit wallet. So guys, now for you to do that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see there at the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now at the top now you can see where it is written backup required. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, backing up your wallet is a very important step so that you can be able to recover your wallet in case you lose your phone or you lose access to your account. So guys, it's very important. So guys, what I will do now is to tap on backup required. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written down there, back up your wallet. You can back up your wallet using your Google Drive or you can back it up manually. I'm going to be going for the second option, which is manual backup. So guys, you can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here you're required to input your password, the password you created while creating your Bybit wallet. So guys, let me input mine right away. So guys, now you can see I'm done inputting the password. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, view your seed phrase. Your seed phrase gives you full control over your wallets and funds. Bybit will never ask for it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to view your seed phrase. You have to copy it as well. You have to keep this your seed phrase in a safe place where no one can have access over it. Anyone who gets access to this your seed phrase can get access to your wallet and your fund. So guys, you have to take note of that. So guys, let me go ahead now to see my seed phrase. Let me tap on C. So guys, can see this notification, your seed phrase and private key empower you with complete control over your wallets and funds. Remember, it's your responsibility to keep them safe. Any leak could mean losing all your assets. So guys, now let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now I can now see my seed phrase, my recovery phrase, though I blurred it for security reasons. So guys, now let me go ahead now to copy it as well so I can paste it somewhere safe and keep it somewhere safe. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully. So guys, now you can see what's written down there. You can as well use your Google Drive to back up your wallet if you want. You can see down there, but I don't want to use it, so let me tap on letter. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to show you guys how you can create your Bybit wallet and also back it up. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe it was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. Bye.